Okay, billionaires, we are arriving at the car wash. Today's to-do list is car wash and a few other things. So this is step one. We are both here at the car wash.
Yeah, would that be card?
Do you take cash?
We take cash.
Okay, let me see if I have 5 in cash. Yes, I do.
All right.
$5 Mondays. Here you go.
Thank you.
Flora's getting a $5.
All right. Yeah, good day.
Thank you, you too. I'm sorry for taking so long. Okay, billionaires, we did get a car freshener, and now I'm about to wipe the insides of the windows because they do need it too. Okay, this is the air freshener. It smells so good. Okay, and then they have refreshments. So I grabbed a few. Okay, billionaires, I am sitting at Kroger waiting on an Instacart order. Looks like it's going to be a slow day, so we might just head on over to the store. Okay, billionaires, I forgot to tell y'all that I do have a $27 order. I'm almost done with it, so then I'm gonna head to deliver and see if I can get maybe like a few more orders. Okay, billionaires, I forgot to mention we have made it to the Goodwill. We're doing a little bit of shopping. Today they have blue tags for 99 cents, and then the red tags are 50% off. So far I have no blue tags. I found a red tag. I didn't even know. Then everything else is yellow. Yellow. This is $6.24 from Fashion Nova, and it is still brand new. I don't know if I love it, but I'm gonna grab it just in case. Supposed to be looking for summer clothes though. I see this Puma sweatshirt for $6.24. It's not a red tag or blue tag though, but I like it, so I'm gonna grab it. We have this North Face sweatshirt, 50% off because it has a red tag. So I'm gonna grab that. Okay, billionaires, I spent like $41 and some change. Okay, billionaires, we have made it into Walmart. Okay, billionaires, we have made it back home. We are getting ready to go to the Pet Supplies Plus store. Speaking of that, I need to go and get the points card because she has 2 more free dog washes. So I need to grab the card. Actually, I'm wrong. She has 3 more washes. So after today, it will be 2 more washes. But right now, she only has 3 more washes left, which is really good. Actually, we do still wash her in between these washes, just not as much, and it'll be like a good little wipe down, and then we'll go take her here to give her a full bath, which is why we still have 3 full washes left. Eventually we'll start fully washing her there, but sometimes we don't be having time to take her, so this is literally to prevent as many bathroom cleanups at your own house as possible. Sure. Sure. There must be a laundromat over here. That smells good. That smells so good. Okay, billionaires, I'm irritated because the dog wash closes. Normally when I check the time, it says they don't close till 9, but they close at 8 now. So we have to go in before 7 to wash the dog, which doesn't make sense because people are still getting off work at around that time. So how are y'all closing the dog wash at 7? And also my boyfriend did take a long time to leave, and I kept telling him to come on, it's time to go. And I'm just irritated because now we don't even get to wash her until tomorrow, but I might have a busier day tomorrow and I might not make it in time to wash her tomorrow. So I'm just irritated. I'm in Kroger grabbing some dinner. Grabbing stuff for dinner. I'm more so irritated because we did not have to take this trip and we did not have to bring the dog with us. Okay, I found these chips to try. I know what these taste like, but I don't remember what these taste like. And then this is something new. Of course, we're not going to eat all 3 of the bags, but I did grab all of them. And then I'm going to grab some Colby Jack cheese. I will see y'all in the next video.